2022. I'm gonna, yeah. So all they got. I mean, all right, man. This is a continuation of our journey to Dodoma. So we decided to pass to um, my cousin's, my aunt place at Kiluvia. I mean, it's a suburb here in Dar es Salaam. So yeah, so we decided to pass because we haven't seen him for, I mean, since 2022. Yeah, so I haven't seen the boys, man. I mean, they are really tall right now. I mean, I was surprised to see how tall they got. I mean, in 2022 they were really young, but now, man, I mean, they are all almost my size right now. And one is 14, Roderick, the little one, and another one, Brian, his brother, is 17. Yeah, I mean, I have a video of Roderick the last time we met in 2022. I'm gonna attach the video so that you guys can see, I mean, how he looked back in 2022, man. Yeah, man, let me do it.
Okay, so is this better or Dar es Salaam is much better?
He's better.
Here is better? Okay, so you want to move here?
I don't know.
You
Here
don't-
you see, it's blueberries.
Is it blueberry? So it's not coffee?
Nah, this is blueberries.
Are they? Man,
You see?
Roderick was telling me this is the blueberries.
No, red berries.
Are they red? I
Yeah,
thought you
they're
said
red
the
berries
blue.
mixed with this.
The green berry.
Mixed with.
I don't know what a green berry is.
What is this?
Maybe blackberry. Man, this is a blackberry. Shit. All right, so you think these are not coffee trees? These are blueberry trees.
They are blueberry trees.
For real?
Coffee tea, coffee, what's it? Coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee ni ndogo kama hivi.
Oh, they are much smaller, yeah?
Lakini they are much smaller.
Always in charge.
All right, man. The kid who wear green on the left, that is Massey, and on the right, the kid is Brian, and forget not the little one. I mean, yeah, in front of Brian, another kid called Roderick. I mean, they were very young at that time. This was 2020, December of 2022. Yeah, man. I mean, you can compare. You can look at them now. I mean, they have grown like crazy.
Alianza nani kucheza? Sasa si wewe. Si wewe. Alafu
This dude, look at this dude. Look at him. Look at it. He's pretending like he's so strong that he's nothing. Look at his belly. Look at his belly. Pretending like he doesn't know. Why are you looking at me like that? Stop looking at me. That's my head. But you. Hello there. Welcome to the Great Lake Cities News. We all know that there's some weird things happening in this world. But in this way, we must know how to strike them back. And don't forget. Okay, so when we travel back in time, people felt that we're dumb. But when we came back, we all know that we were dumb. We always play football, right? We always play football at home. Brian, can you zoom the camera to me, please? And we all know Christmas is almost here. And we all know that Christmas is almost here. We all know that. We all know that. We all know that the Christmas is almost here. We all know that. In the name of Jesus, we all know that. Atasa. We all know that the Christmas is coming. One day, we're going to strike back. When you strike, we strike good. And you're going to strike the tree to burn to death. That's my story, and bye. Peace.
Yeah, man. I mean, we continue eating dinner. Dinner was very nice, man. It was very delicious because I was super hungry right there, and because we were traveling the same day, going to Morogoro. So we just passed by to their house just to say hi and see them. I mean, it was such a nice vibe being there with the kids. I mean, they grow. I mean, they grow. My cousins, they're now big boys now. Now they can protect my aunt there. I mean, she has no worries if some intruders coming on their way. I mean, she has a big two big boys right there, man. I mean, they were continue filming. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and let's continue watching the video.
Salaam at night. Hey, all right, guys. So I'm out here in Morogoro. I mean, this is a region in the middle. I don't know whether this is the middle or it is. I mean, it's just 2 hours from Dar es Salaam. So we on the way to Dodoma right here with my father. So we decided to sleep here, man. I mean, it was a hectic day. I mean, it was a hectic day. You know, we passed through family members, you know, say hi to them. And so, I mean, tomorrow, so we're going to sleep here. And then tomorrow we're going to head to Dodoma, the capital city of Tanzania. I mean, yeah. So, I mean, this is the place where I stay. You know, the hotel is pretty okay. You know, it got the TV. Yeah. I mean, now it's midnight. It's around like, yeah, they got couch here. The toilet is in there. It's in there. Yeah. It's pretty cool, you know. Let me show you guys what time it is right now. You see? Yeah, this is what time it is. The bed is big enough and they got desk there too. You know, everything. All right, man. All right, man. See you tomorrow. Peace and love, brother. Peace and love, guys.